Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this slide. They are really beautiful to see. Let's start. At first we need to get our text. After getting our text, let's try to create that. For creating that, we need to add a new slide. In our new slide, we are going to use format background. To format the background to the color we want, we are going to use this blue and apply it to all. Okay, then after that we are going to create 1, 2, 3 rectangle. Let's go here, use this rectangle and create one. Okay, increase it in size, create another one, decrease it in size and create another one. Now select all three of them, align them center, align them middle. Now we hold Ctrl to reduce its size. Okay, but you see we need to increase them a little, and select all three of them and go to shape format and then shape outline to none. Then select all three of them, go to shadows and give them some inner shadows. Now we need to color them up from this blue we have, you see, to the light one. Let's start with this color, then go top with this color, then go top with this color. Okay, we create everything. Now we copy our text. The text is just a simple text. I created the text easily using Overdrive Sunset font and this shape format. Now we copy this slide, we increase it in size, bring this thing to the top and reduce its size to here. Then we paste the text. The text is an easy text. You can paste text, picture, everything you want. It's completely up to you. Then after pasting the text, select these two and bring them to front. Now when we increase its size, you see we have a problem. We need to bring this thing to front also. Let me bring this thing to front. Now copy that, increase it in size, copy the second text and paste it here. Then here select these two and bring to front, then copy them, increase the size. You see we don't bring them to front because if we bring them to front, that problem should not happen. Okay, we copy another time, increase its size. Now we cut the last text and paste it here. Okay, everything is ready. Select all of them and set the transition to morph. Now it's ready. If you like it, tell me in the comments and like and subscribe. We are near 1,000 subscribers and I already appreciate your support. I hope you like it. Tell me if you need anything in the comments. Until then, have a nice time.